Good morning, guys. So this part is going to be just an update on the tower garden and all the new growth. I think the last video I did was last Sunday the 21st, and you know, of course you can reference that video to see how much growth we've had in just a week. But here, let me start back here. So that right there is the zucchini. I've actually already had to trim this or prune this because it was actually covering some of the other plants. But this is looking nice and healthy. There's no damage from bugs. Been managing pest control pretty well. Look, I actually have a little bee through now. Anyways, the strawberries are which was the ones that I got out of the soil. This one actually has a little bit of new growth. This one and this one are new. And then the other one that I have over here, not so much. The watermelon plant is finally looking like it's starting to take shape here. It's looking good. And I actually do have a couple of new ones. This is my romaine lettuce. Still pretty new. And then these are two new jalapeno plants here. Let's see. Okay, so then our broccoli is looking fine. The basil, the cilantro, this cilantro plant is looking wonderful. Nice and strong. The two spinach plants, these are ready. You can actually start cutting these and using them in your food. Right here, look at that. This is the celery. That looks pretty awesome. The banana pepper plant looks like it's fine, and so does this other jalapeno. These were the transplants. We'll see how they come out. This right here is the cannabis plant. Look at all this growth. It smells great too. I mean, you know, some people don't like the smell of cannabis or pot, and I don't really care for it myself either. But in this young stage, it smells nice. Here's another one. The two tomato plants we've got, man, real bushy. This ones are gonna have to get trimmed, I think. And then this is the orange bell pepper, looking wonderful. Chives, or not chives, that's chives, but this is the chamomile. So tons of new growth. I also would like to point out, I really think that this would work out great for someone who, let's say, has a very, very small backyard but wants to produce food. They don't have, let's say, bad soil, or maybe you're an elderly person that really just can't get on their knees to work in the yard anymore. They can stand at this and work. They also have indoor versions of the tower garden. You know, they'll sell them with LED lights, so you can grow indoor all year long. Especially if you have no backyard and you live in an apartment, this is the perfect alternative. Vegans, vegetarians, or just people who want to be more healthy with their meals, this is a great alternative. All right, guys, enjoy your weekend. Take care.